Hi, my name is Sarah Lewis, and I'm the director of the ApprenticeshipWorks program at the Workplace, Southwestern Connecticut's Regional Workforce Investment Board. ApprenticeshipWorks is funded by grants from the U.S. and Connecticut Department of Labor to strengthen the manufacturing workforce and increase the utilization of apprenticeships as a proven workforce strategy. We work with both job seekers and employers in a variety of different ways. In partnership with training providers like Housatonic Community College, Derby High School, and Platt Technical School, we provide job seekers with accelerated job training programs to prepare them with the skills needed to enter apprenticeships or jobs in the manufacturing sector. We also work with employers to evaluate their workforce needs, design new registered apprenticeship programs, or expand existing apprenticeship programs. We work closely with the Office of Apprenticeship Training to ensure that companies have the resources and information they need to train the next generation of manufacturing workers. As a special incentive to employers in Southwest Connecticut, our grant enables us to provide a 2-month partial wage reimbursement to companies who hire apprentices 24 years of age and under. We'd love to hear from you to discuss how the workplace can help strengthen your manufacturing workforce.